How to change language settings on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change language settings on YouTube. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on languages. And now here in this section, you can just tap on app languages, and here you can choose any language that you want to use. And here, once you select that particular language, it will convert into that language automatically. And here with that, you can also go back and select your preferred language for watching videos as well. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.